Bright makes it easy to list and find green homes. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to utilize the various green fields when entering a new listing in listing management and how to find a green home in search. When selecting a home, today's home buyers tend to be much more green conscious than in the past. As a listing agent with an eco-friendly home, let's quickly review the importance of adding these kind of features to your listing so you can find the right buyer. In today's market, buyers are keen to know about energy efficient features in homes, and you as the agent also need to have the basic knowledge to answer their green questions. We've made it easy for listing agents to back up any of the claims made by sellers. For example, if they have a LEED certified property, there is a drop-down menu that asks what year it was certified and if there is any documentation available. There are thousands of searches a month in the database for different eco-friendly features, and the current market consistently finds that eco-friendly homes sell more quickly and at a higher price. Use listing management's features to help you capture the growing demand for green homes. Want to see what green fields are available? Check out our Green Features addendum in the Profile Sheet section. Remember, green living does not necessarily mean modern. In fact, using reclaimed materials can be one of the best ways to have a green home since it saves using new raw materials while also keeping something old out of a landfill. Now, let's take a look at how you can market your green certified listings, or at least those listings with green features. When entering a new listing or even updating a current one, be sure to include all the green features your listing has, or the actual green verification. You want to add those so that the buyer agent can search specifically for those fields in Bright's search. If your listing has a specific green verification, select the appropriate program and add the additional details that may apply. As a buyer's agent, if your clients want a home that has bamboo floors, solar panels, and all Energy Star certified appliances, then you can find the homes that meet those requirements by selecting the appropriate fields. Because this information is based on what the listing agent enters, we've covered entering green features first, so now let's explore how to search for those features so that your buyer can find the home that they want. Simply click on the Additional Fields Add button to take you to our additional fields. We have over 500 searchable fields within the system, so let's type in green. When I type in green, I can select all of the green options so that I can explore all the different green features available within the listings. Then I hit the back button, and I'll scroll all the way back down to my additional fields. In this section, say my buyers are looking for green energy efficient appliances. As long as the listing agent has put this information into the listing, it will return results for me. I have 113 matches here, so I'm going to click on results, go to the results page, and I've added energy efficient as an additional column. This allows me to see what the green energy efficient is for this particular listing. And as you can see, there are several listings that have more than just one green energy efficient option. To learn more about adding a listing, entering a custom column, and more search options, check out our video description just below this video for more details. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and system updates from Bright. Have a great week.